Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Dear students, myself R.S. Goswami from KGK Higher Secondary School. Today I am going to teach Economics of Standard 11th, chapter number 2, that is Fundamental Concepts and Terminologies, and the topic is Goods and Services. As we have the human being, we use different type of goods and services in our day-to-day life. But what is the meaning of goods and what is the meaning of services? So goods means the things which have physical existence. Physical existence means we can see, we can touch. So that type of the things we include in goods. Physical existence. Just you see in your home, table, chair, AC, fridge, clothes, all have physical existence. That means we can see, we can touch. So all kind of things we include in goods. Once again, the things which have physical existence and satisfy human wants is known as goods. Now, services. The things which do not have physical existence. That means we can't see, we can't touch, only we feel. So that kind of the things we include in services. For example, service of a teacher, service of a doctor, service of a lawyer, service of a CA. Only we feel, but the service of a doctor we can't see. When we fall ill, we go to consult the doctor checkup, and after that prescribe the medicine. So here, the service of doctor only we can feel, can't see, can't touch. Other side goods we can see, we can touch. Physical existence is there, but in services, physical existence is not there. So this is the meaning of goods and services. Now, types of goods. First one is the tangible and intangible. That means physical goods and intangible goods. The goods which have physical existence, that is known as tangible goods. And other side, intangible. The goods which have not physical existence, that goods are known as intangible goods. So intangible, whatever goods in your house, all we include intangible goods or physical goods. Table, chair, sofa, fridge, fan, so many things. That physical existence. That means we can see, we can touch. And intangible means the goods which haven't physical existence. That type of the goods are known as intangible goods. We include here services. The service of doctor, service of lawyer, service of CA, service of a teacher. All goods are intangible goods. After that, economic and non-economic goods. Economic goods means the goods which have some exchange value. The goods which have some exchange value. That goods are known as economic goods. whatever we purchase and we pay some amount, some money. So that type of the goods are known as economic goods. In our day-to-day life, we purchase so many goods and we pay the amount. So that type of the goods are known as economic goods. And non-economic goods means the goods which haven't exchange value. The goods which haven't the exchange value is known as non-economic goods. Just like the air in atmosphere, sunlight, use value is there, but exchange value is not there. We should not pay a single rupees. So here economic good and non-economic goods. After that, durable and perishable goods. Durable means the goods which satisfy our wants for long period of time. Another word, the goods which we use for the long period of time, which satisfied our wants for long period. We use again and again. That types of goods are known as durable goods. Durability. That means we use the goods for long period of time, just like the car. You purchase car one time and use 4 year, 5 year, 10 year, again and again. So that type of the goods are known as durable goods. Same way AC, LED, sofa, fridge, these are all known as durable goods. After that, perishable. Perishable goods means the goods which we have used for single time and very short period of time. A single time or very short period of time, those goods are known as perishable goods. So your perishable goods, that means green vegetables, milk and milk product, meat, fish, these all are perishable goods. You can use only single time. If you store, then 2 days or 3 days after it becomes useless. So the goods which we use in short period of time are known as perishable goods. But one thing to remember, present time, because of the development of science and technology, perishable goods also used for some times. The durability increase. Suppose vegetable or green vegetable, if you have a fridge at your home, then you put green vegetables in fridge, then the durability of the green vegetable increase. You can easily use for 1 week. But if you haven't the fridge, then the green vegetables you can use only 1 day or 2 days. After that, it becomes useless. So, durable goods and perishable goods. Perishable goods also we can use for some time because of science and technology. The cold storage, tomato or green flower, we can put in the cold storage, and without season we can get the green vegetables because of science and technology. But like durable goods, we can't convert perishable goods. After that, private and public goods. Private goods means the goods which use only individual, owned by individual. That type of goods are known as private goods. Used by individual, owned by individual. That type of goods are known as private goods. Suppose your house, the house in which you are living, So that is the private goods, because only you are living in your house. Suppose your car, then your car only owned by you, used by you, not by others. So this type of the goods are known as private goods. Other examples, our farmhouse. So that is our private property. No one can use that private property or farmhouse without our permission. So that type of the goods are known as private goods, used by individual and owned by individual. That type of the goods are known as private goods. Then public goods, the goods which we use collectively, the group of people. So that type of the goods are known as public goods. Just like the public garden, railway, aeroplane. So these kind of the goods are known as public goods. Same way riverfront. So riverfront is not a private property, it is a public property. We use collectively. One time so many people go there and enjoy the atmosphere in the rainy season. So this type of the property or goods are known as public goods. Again, private goods and public goods. Private means used by individual, owned by individual. That type of goods are known as private goods. And the goods which we can use collectively, owned by government. So that type of the goods are known as private goods. And after that, consumer goods and producer goods. Consumer means customer. The goods which we can use directly without doing any production process. Again, the goods which we can use to satisfy our wants directly without any production process. So that type of the goods are known as consumer goods. We can use directly. We do not do any process. Just like fast food. You give the order of pizza, Domino's. Then the service provider give you the pizza. You can directly eat. So that pizza is known as consumer goods. So any ready-made foods or finished goods are known as consumer goods. Just like ready-made clothes. So ready-made clothes are consumer goods. We do not do any process. So the goods which satisfied human wants directly without doing any production process or any process. So that type of the goods are known as consumer goods. Then producer goods. Producer goods means the goods which we can do some process and after that we can use to satisfy our wants. So that kind of the goods are known as producer good. Once again, the goods on which we can do some process and after that we satisfy our wants by using that goods known as producer's goods. Just like the cloth. So first we purchase the cloth, then go to the tailor and after saving the cloth then we use. So that is the producer goods. Same way cotton. By using the cotton we prepare the thread. After preparing the thread we prepare the cloth and after that ready-made cloth. So here we do so many process and make finished goods and then that good able to satisfy human wants. Same way Maggi, you purchase the Maggi but you can't eat directly. At home you do some process. So that is producer goods. Same way, different kind of the cakes. So cakes, that is the consumer goods, you can directly eat. So the goods which satisfied human wants directly without doing any process, so that types of goods are known as consumer goods. And producer goods, the goods on which we do some process and after that we use to satisfy our wants. So here, goods and services. First the meaning, then types of goods, tangible goods and intangible goods, economic goods and non-economic goods, durable goods and perishable goods, private goods and public goods, consumer goods and producers goods. So these types are the goods. Okay, thank you students.